Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the Vision-AMG, a concept electric car that sets a new direction for Mercedes-AMG's future. This futuristic sports car combines cutting-edge technology with the true spirit of AMG. The Vision-AMG is built on a unique electric platform, boasting a powerful electric drive system. This concept stands out not only with its stunning aerodynamics, but also with an aggressive, motorsport-inspired design. A low-profile, wide wheel arches and illuminated elements create a striking, memorable appearance. Mercedes-AMG's engineers are committed to preserving the brand's heritage while embracing electrification without losing the thrill and character. The Vision-AMG promises impressive acceleration and agility, but more importantly, it showcases a future where performance and sustainability go hand in hand. What do you think about this ambitious project? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest automotive news. See you soon.